do you mean by balanced diet? Next we move on to the next connected topic of this, that is called balanced diet. Listen here. Till now we learned that about the hormones. Now I told you that hormones are the naturally secretion chemicals which secretes naturally from our body. Now, next, how these hormones secretes or how these hormones starts getting in our body, that is very important. How means by eating a balanced diet food. Okay, balanced diet is nothing but those diet. Balance means what? Which we have the equal quantity of all the things. Now that is called balance. So here diet in the sense food, which if we connect that one to the food. Understood? So balanced diet means so those food where there is a equal amount of nutrients are there. Nutrients. What do you mean by nutrients? In your last class you had done. Nutrients. Anybody? Nutrients. You sit like statues. I just start barking over it. Give the answers. What do you mean by nutrients? In your last 7th standard you have learned this. What do you mean by nutrition? Nutrients.
Vitamins.
Yeah. Only vitamins, minerals? Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, fats, vitamins, minerals. No. So they are all the nutrients. Where we get these nutrients from? From our food. We eat different kinds of food now. So means if you eat in the breakfast, the same thing we won't eat in the lunch. No. So maybe the same sambar you will eat in the night, but there will be a different. No. So each and every day the menus will be the different for food. So every day if you want to eat dal, so you will become dal only like. Now if every day it will be like eating chapati, you will be like chapati. Thin. No, we need all types fats. We need proteins, we need vitamins, we need carbohydrates, we need roughages, fibers. No, so all these things you have learned in your previous class. So these balanced diet, this we call as a if you are taking every day these nutrients in a means regularly, okay, without fail, then that term we call it as a balanced diet. Understood, children? So taking in the nutritional food, okay, in a proper manner. That concept we call it as balanced diet. Okay, why this balanced diet is important? Now, why we are reading this here? Because already I told you that hormones will be there that should secrete. No? So that should secrete. Which one should secrete? Hormones should secrete from the body. How it should secrete properly? I told you, if it is secrete in a correct proper manner or in a correct amount, then we won't have any kind of diseases like that. Okay? If means when it will means we are normal, we will be normal means when you are eating the right amount of food or nutrition, then you will be in a balanced diet. Then secretion of hormones will also be in a proper manner. If you won't eat, if your unbalanced diet will be there, then the hormone secretion will also be improper. Understood? So like this you can connect the hormone secretions or the hormones to the balanced diet. Understood about this? See, in your textbook also, so there is, the pictures are there. So which are the food which can help to make your food habit as in a balanced one. So if you eat meat, nutrient you will get. Meat, in meat. Non-vegetarian, who are here? You are all vegetarian.
Fat.
Fat, very good. Next, fat is nothing but not only, see fat, what we think, fat is a bad. No, good fats are there. Good fat also must be there. Either you are vegetarian or you are non-vegetarian, but fat must be there in your body. Only by taking meat you won't get fat. What you take, the veg items also, that also gives you fat. That you keep it in mind. Okay. Next, vegetables. What we get? Which type of nutrient you will get in the vegetables? Vitamins and minerals. Okay. You take vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D. Okay, vitamin A, B. Kinds of food, fruits, vegetables. Okay. Next, fruits. Again, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Next, milk, egg, proteins. We need protein, children. We need protein in a maximum number. Why means, according to the scientists, protein if you have in your body in a proper manner, then you can fight against the disease. It gives the immunity power to fight against the disease. And milk and egg gives the strength to your bones. That is very much important. As we grow, see now your mummy or papa maybe they are 35 cross or 30, 40 cross. They need this time the bone strength. Okay, so that's why more than you, so adults should have the drink of this milk and egg to take. Understood? Next, with the breaks pulses, what we get? Carbohydrates. Okay, so carbohydrates will get. If you eat any, like vegetables, if you eat, again you will get fiber items, roughages. Understood? So not only these food, we have to drink the water at least 5 to 6 liters in a day. That also include in the balanced diet. Why this food and water is important? To separate the hormones in our body, to keep all the organs and parts of our body healthy. So we will be healthy. If inside you, see what we show, we always want to show our outside should be look good, but inside will be collapsed. No, try to be inside good. Then automatically, not only with the food and this one, even with your character, with your attitude towards others, with the respect which you give to elders, from inside, from heart, if you start giving, it's showing from on your face. Outline means outlook will be. By seeing your face only, we can say that whether you are giving respect or good, or you are good like a human being or not. Okay, so that's why this one is important to make healthy. But this one and how you treat, that also very important for you as you go. That's why I told you in the before class only, means at the first only, this is the age which you think that I am an independent one, I can take care of myself. No. If you think like that, surely your life will be spoiling. You will be the spoiling of your, responsible of your life spoiling. This age only secreting hormone, only it takes towards to you to go to the wrong path. Wrong path. In this age also try to control all your organs and try to be a children to your parents, children to your teachers and children to your elders. Then only you can what? You can make your life happier and successful till your goal. Understood, children? So that's why balanced diet is also very much important. Okay, next, personal hygiene. Only food important, but once in a month we take bath. Once in a week we brush. Once in a month we wash our face. These boys, girls will be like, we know that how to be. Okay. But boys, what you do? Don't use the soap only. Don't brush only. What happens? Because of that, bacterial infections, virus infections. Okay, so this will start getting. That's why cleanliness is also very much important to you also and your surrounding also. Surrounding your house, surrounding at least within your house. Coming here, sitting here with a nice dress and all. If you see your house, that also won't come. No, it should be not like that. Okay, personal hygiene also very much important in that. So cleanliness is very much important. See, this is the age. If I want to say only to your like related body, this is the age. Already I told you that sweat glands you will get, secretion of hormones will get. So this is the age which easily can bacteria and virus can infect you by going to the wrong way. Not only keeping clean, if any sexual contact, if you are in that, then very immediately you will start getting the deadly disease called AIDS and HIV. We know that what is AIDS? It is the deadliest diseases, slow poison it is called. Okay, so because this is the age, always you want to be fly, always you want to be favor, always you want to be attractive towards others. No. Personal hygiene is very important. This is the age where you get more secretion. Though you get more secretion, like that you get more disease. That the bacterial and virus infection. Okay, so that's why you should be very careful about your diet, about your attitude towards others, and about your personal hygiene. If you will be cope up with that, if you are maintaining all these things in a proper manner, correct manner, by listening elders. Why I am saying these children? Because father, mother, whatever they say for your good sake only they say. Because they will be getting, they got much experience. Okay, so as they grow 45, 50 years, so 30, 35 years, so many kinds of the experiences they will find. They will go through it. So that's why listen to them. This is an age. Understood? So by this, so we complete the lesson, the reaching of adolescence. That one term, this one topic is there, that sex determination, that I will do it into my video class. Understood? So I am going to send this lessons notes that you write. Thank you.